So we all know that Weeko is voice automated. He can move around on his own. He has a really nice collision system, and he can do a lot of different things. But one of the things he can't do is whenever I'm far away from him, he can't hear me. So if he's moving forward and I need him to stop, he won't do that because he can't hear me, because the miking system is actually hooked up to the top. It runs down through his system, and his drive system is so loud that vibrates through the system, creates interference. Now, I've tried a couple different mics. This is the only one that I could find that really worked good. I have another one that we're going to try later, but that means we're going to start kind of removing some of the things that we don't need on him, and work on some different other things. Actually want to put some more sensors on him so that he can have more capability to do collision detection. But one of the things I wanted to do was get a way for me to be able to stop him if he's going forward. What better way to do that than a remote control? So this remote control will basically control him on only the drive system. So these buttons here don't really do anything, but this button, this pad button, is what controls him. So if I push forward or backwards, he will actually move backwards. When I let go, he stops. The other thing that's cool about this is if I tell him to move around, I can stop him just by hitting the button and letting off. Weeko, move forward. So as he's driving now, if I want him to stop because he's getting too close to something and maybe his collision system is not on, I hit the button, let go, he stops. So that's a pretty cool little addition to him, just being able to have a little remote control, be able to control him a little bit, and it works out. All right, well, I hope that helps somebody. It's just a cheap remote control if you want to do something like this with your robot. And it wasn't too hard to program. I'm actually working on some other issues that I'm having with him right now, as far as like being able to power a lot of different USB items. I'm gonna have to get another USB hub because this one just doesn't have enough power to run everything I need to run. But he does work. All right, well, that's about it. Weeko, say goodbye to YouTube.
Goodbye for now. Subscribe to see more of our content. Don't forget to leave us a comment and smash that thumbs up button.
All right, you guys take it easy, and you can pick this up off eBay. Fairly inexpensive. All right, have a good one.